Welcome back, student. Today we are going to have brainstorming over practice set 40 standard 7 maths. My dear student, first we'll try to understand the question which is given to us and try to know some basic information which is given in the question and try to solve the question. Let's have brainstorming over problem number first. Question number 1. If Rihanna deposits rupees 1500 in the school fund at 9% per annum for 2 years, what is the amount she will get? My dear student, here we have got 1500 rupees deposited by Rihanna in school fund. So principal will be 1500 rupees. The rate is given at the rate of 9 PCPA percent per annum. Time is given for 2 years. We have to find interest. From interest we can calculate amount. So my dear student, this is the basic information which is given in our problem. Let's try to solve it by using formula. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. In short form, we can write interest is equal to PRT upon 100. Let's put the value. Interest is equal to principal is 1500 into rate is 9 into time period is given 2 years upon 100. My dear student, interest is equal to 1500 into 2 will become 3000. 1500 into 2 will become 3000 into 9 will write as it is divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 will cut. I is equal to 30 into 9. Interest is equal to 3 9s are 27 and 0 will put as it is. My dear student, here we got interest as 270 rupees. So interest will write here 270 rupees. My dear student, we have to find amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. In short form, A is equal to P plus I. Amount is equal to, now principal is given 1500 plus interest we got 270 rupees. We'll add these two. 15, 16, 17. So we'll get 1770 rupees as amount. 1770 rupees as amount. We'll write the answer. Rihana will get the amount of 1770 rupees for 2 years. Let's study the next problem. Welcome back, student. Let's have brainstorming over problem number 2. Jetalal took a housing loan of rupees 2,50,000 from a bank at the rate of 10% per annum for 5 years. What is the yearly interest he must pay and the total amount he returns to the bank? My dear student, here Jetalal has taken a loan and therefore we have got the value of principal. So principal is equal to 2,50,000 rupees. Rate is given. So we got rate is equal to 10% per annum. Here time is given and time is 5 years. My dear student, here we have to find yearly interest, but before that we will find interest for 5 years. We also have to find the amount, so we will also find amount. In the last we will find yearly interest. My dear student, let's solve the problem. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. So we can write interest is equal to P R T upon 100. Interest is equal to, here principal is 2,50,000 thousand into rate is 10% per annum and time period is 5 years divided by 100. We'll cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. We'll get interest is equal to 2, 5, 0, 0 into 10 into 5. I is equal to, we'll multiply 2500 with 10. So we have to only add the 0 to the value. So the value will become 2500 into 10. So one more 0 will put into 5. Interest is equal to 25,000 into 5. Let's multiply 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So my dear student, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Here we got interest of rupees 1,25,000 rupees for 5 years. So interest for 5 years is equal to 1,25,000 rupees. Now my dear student, here we will find amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. A is equal to P plus I. A is equal to, again, what was the principal? 2,50,000 plus interest is 1,25,000. So amount is equal to 2 lakh plus 1 lakh, 3 lakh. 50,000 plus 25,000 is 75,000. So amount which he has to pay is 3,75,000 for 5 years. But my dear student, we have to find the interest for 1 year. So amount first we will write 3,75,000 rupees. Now yearly interest we will try to find out. We can find it by a ratio. Interest time. For 5 years, the interest we have calculated is 1,25,000. So for okay, so yearly income is said yearly. So for 1 year, the interest will be X. Cross multiplication. X into 5, we get 5x is equal to 1,25,000. So my dear student, here we have done the cross multiplication. 5 into x, we get 5x. 1,25,000 into 1, we get 1,25,000. So x will keep as it is. We will take 1,25,000 and divide it by 5. So x is equal to, let's divide. 1,25,000 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10 minus 2 will come down, will bring 5 as it is. 5 5s are 25, 25, 25 minus 25, 0, 0, 3 0 left, will put 1, 2, 3. So 1,25,000 divided by 5, we get 25,000. So 25,000 will be the yearly interest. Rupees. The yearly interest for Jetalal will be 25,000 rupees, and the total amount for 5 years will be 3,75,000 rupees. Thank you, my dear student. We'll see the next problem. Let's have brainstorming over problem number 3. Shrikant deposited 85,000 rupees for 2.5 years at the rate of 7% per annum in a saving book account. What is the total interest at the end of the period? My dear student, let's write down the information which is given in our problem. Shrikant deposited 85,000. So principal is equal to 85,000 rupees. Time period is given. Time is 2.5 years, which will be equal to 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5, that is 5 by 2 years. Rate is given, that is 7% per annum. We have to find interest. My dear student, we know the formula. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. We can write in short form, interest is equal to PRT upon 100. So principal is 85,000. Rate is 7% per annum, and the time period is 5 by 2 years. We have to divide this by 100. My dear student, we will divide this 85,000 by 2. 85,000 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8 minus 0. 5 will bring down. 2 2s are 4. 1. This 0 will bring down. 2 5s are 10 minus 0 0. 2 zeros are left. We'll put it up. So 2 1s are 2. 2 4 2 5 0 0 the 85,000. So my dear student, here we will get interest is equal to 42,500 into 7 into 5 divided by 100. We'll cancel 0 0 0 0. I is equal to 425 into 7 into 5. Let's multiply. 425 into 5. We'll multiply 425 into 5 first. 5 5s are 25, 5 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11 12, 2 1 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. So we get I is equal to 2125 into 7. Let's multiply and find out the answer. 2 1 2 5 into 7. 7 5s are 35, 5 3 carry, 7 2s are 14, 15 16 17, 7 1 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8. We will write 8 here, and 7 2s are 14. So we will get interest 1,4,8,7,5. Unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So we have got the answer, that is 14,875 rupees. Therefore, we'll write the interest 14,875. Answer. The total interest at the end of the period is 14,875 rupees for Srikanth. That's all student. We'll see the next problem.